Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Total War Three Kingdoms. This grand strategy game blends turn-based empire building with exciting real-time battles. At its heart are powerful characters, serving as generals, administrators, or even spies. There are 5 distinct character classes, each linked to one of the Wu Xing elements. Understanding these elements is key, as they influence everything from character attributes to unit strengths and how they interact on the battlefield. On the campaign map, you'll manage your growing empire through commanderies. Each commandery has a capital and between 1 and 3 minor outposts. Strategically build structures to boost your food production, industry, or commerce. Advance your faction through the reform menu, which functions as your tech tree, granting new bonuses every 5 turns. Diplomacy is also vital. Forge alliances, establish trade routes, or declare war to expand your influence. When armies clash, the game shifts to thrilling real-time battles. Your generals are incredibly powerful, especially in romance mode, possessing unique abilities that can turn the tide. Each army is led by up to 3 officers, and each officer commands a retinue of up to 6 units. You'll utilize various unit types, including infantry, cavalry, and missile units, each with distinct roles. Remember, unit morale is paramount. A broken unit will flee, regardless of its remaining numbers. Total War Three Kingdoms features 12 distinct playable warlords, each with unique faction mechanics that dramatically alter your playstyle. Beyond direct conquest, you can employ espionage, sending agents to infiltrate rival factions and sow discord. Victory isn't just about military might. You can win by becoming emperor, achieving total military domination, or fulfilling other specific objectives. Explore different warlords to discover varied starting positions and unique units, offering endless strategic possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.